In Baku is a lot of fire burns. A lot of places turn off because they produce a lot of oil and gas from. In here even fire burns every time. Even in rain it is burning. Yes, here from Arabic countries.
बाकू का जो इतिहास है बेसिकली जोरिस्टियन सबसे पहले यहाँ थे.
There was caravanserai in the past.
इसमें कभी सिल्क रोड पे चलने वाले व्यापारी रुका करते थे.
Friday.
Yeah.
Friday is special. Azerbaijan and in Iran now shares more. Azerbaijan influence religion decrease in here. Azerbaijan. We have this traditional. In the past we accept some. One of them was olmasın bu olsun operetta.
Maiden Tower is also on the Silk Route. जो सिल्क रूट पे व्यापारी चलते थे उनको रुकने के लिए. हमारा बाकू का सिटी टूर शुरू हो गया है और सबसे पहले हम ओल्ड सिटी जा रहे हैं. हमारे साथ गाइड हैं. व्हाट इज योर नेम?
My name is Nihat.
निहात.
Yes.
ओके. सो मिस्टर निहात ये हमें लेकर के चलेंगे और ओल्ड सिटी का टूर कराएंगे सबसे पहले.
Why in Baku is a lot of fire burns? Because Baku had every time oil and gas. Even in now we have a lot of oil and gas in Baku.
Yeah.
And a lot of places turn off because they produce a lot of oil and gas from land. But now just a lot of places due to this doesn't turn off. But now we have one place, name of this burning mountain.
Yeah.
In here even fire burns every time. Even in rain it is burning.
Energy.
Yes, it's because of methane gas. Thar.
What is this?
Thar.
Okay.
T-A-R. Thar.
Okay.
Thar. You can see in here Gaval. Also we say to this staff. And you can see Chamansa.
Okay.
And with this three music instruments, I sing I say Gazel. You know I sing Gazel kind of poet. And we say such kind of music in Azerbaijan Mugam.
Okay.
Mugam is traditional Azerbaijan music. In here you can see another culture, hammam culture. Hammam is you can see in here bath, also we can say sauna, and it came here from Arabic countries.
हम इस समय बाकू के ओल्ड सिटी के बाहर खड़े हैं और हमारे ठीक नीचे हमाम बात था अभी हमने देखा. और ये जो है सामने जो दिखाई दे रहा है वो फर्स्ट वॉल ऑफ ओल्ड सिटी है. सेकेंड वॉल के पीछे हो गया ओल्ड सिटी और फर्स्ट वॉल के इस साइड में हो गया मॉडर्न सिटी. बाकू का जो इतिहास है बेसिकली जोरिस्टियन सबसे पहले यहाँ थे और जोरिस्टियन के बाद यहाँ पे ऑटोमन एम्पायर का साम्राज्य हुआ. उसके बाद नादिर शाह के डेथ के बाद यहाँ पे लोकल सम्राट बने और बाद में वो 200 साल तक लगभग चले. उसके बाद ये चूँकि ऑयल फील्ड था बहुत बड़ा कमर्शियल होने की वजह से काफ़ी मल्टी मिलेनियस लोग पैदा हो गए. तो मॉडर्न बाकू उन्हीं लोगों की देन है. तुम्हारी बिल्लियों से बहुत दोस्ती हो जाती है यार. जहाँ पहुँची हो बिल्ली पकड़ लेती है.
When Russian Empire came here, also in our country, men can get education in music area.
Oh.
In here, famous composer is Uzeyir Hacıbayov. he went Tbilisi for university, and after he went Moscow and Petersburg for university. And first time in 1908, when he was 23 age, he composed the first opera in Muslim countries in Azerbaijan.
Okay.
Name of was Leyli and Majnun. I think you know it is famous folklore in East.
Yeah.
And he composed 7 opera and a lot of operetta. One of them was Olmasın Bu Olsun operetta. Even due to this operetta, after 1950 we made film. In this film, he is famous actor. Name of his Mashadi Ibad. And this film, this operetta show reality, but it was in comedy style. Due to its topic is this, an old rich man tried to marry with young woman.
सिल्क रूट के रास्ते में था बाकू। हम अभी पिछले एपिसोड में गए थे किर्गिस्तान में बुराना टावर इज आल्सो ऑन द सिल्क रूट। और यहाँ पे कारवां सराय बने थे जो सिल्क रूट पे व्यापारी चलते थे उनको रुकने के लिए। यह मेडन टावर अजरबैजान की संस्कृति और विरासत का प्रतीक है। इस टावर का निर्माण 12वीं शताब्दी में बाकू के 4 दीवारी वाले शहर के हिस्से के रूप में किया गया था। मेडन टावर 15वीं शताब्दी के सिरवान शाह पैलेस के साथ यूनेस्को विश्व धरोहर समूह का हिस्सा है। मेडन टावर को अजरबैजान का सबसे विशिष्ट राष्ट्रीय प्रतीक होने के कारण देश की मुद्रा और लेटर हेड पर दर्शाया गया है।
From double gate and we reached to here. In the past, in front of Maiden Tower we had first wall, and also around this area we had second wall. I said second wall was destroyed in a period of 1850, but also after period of USSR also they destroyed first wall to open way from here to Caspian Sea. When we had first wall, Caspian Sea closed.
Caspian Sea is that side.
Yes, in this side.
This side is Caspian
Yes,
Sea.
in the past Caspian Sea closed the first wall. Due to this, a lot of time happened flood. Even this flood reached to Maiden Tower. Maiden Tower is this building, and you can see this building.
एक तरफ आपको यहाँ से मेडन टावर दिखाई दे रहा है, पुरानी संस्कृति को दिखाता हुआ, और दूसरी साइड में आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ ये फ्लेम टावर जो मॉडर्न बाकू का प्रतीक है। ये फ्लेम टावर। मुकाम क्लब।
Here was Kervansaray in the past, but now here is restaurant. But in the past
Okay.
it was Kervansaray.
This was Caravanserai earlier. Now it's a private property. ये खूबसूरत सा रेस्टोरेंट है। अब ये है, इसमें कभी सिल्क रोड पे चलने वाले व्यापारी रुका करते थे। अब ये बाकू का एक खूबसूरत रेस्टोरेंट है। Is it Flame Tower?
Yes, this flame tower.
Flame Tower.
Yes. Also, we will go next to this.
And what is this? This tower?
This. It is
Juma Mosque.
Juma Mosque minaret.
Okay.
Minaret of Juma Mosque.
Okay. What is the name of this game?
Nart. Okay, I will say N. In English doesn't have this letter. Nart, we say.
Okay.
Nart. In Arabic language, they say tavla.
Okay.
Hello. Hi. Please.
Yeah, this is
Yes, he is Juma Mosque.
okay.
Juma is in our English Friday.
Yeah.
Friday is special day in Islam.
Oh, yeah.
And it was built in 1899. And here is Shia Mosque. You know
Okay.
Islam Shia took
Yeah,
place
yeah, I
Sunni and
know,
Shia,
I
and
know.
from 1501 we created Safavid Empire,
Yeah.
and first king of Safavid was Ismail in Azerbaijan, and in Iran he increased Shia religion. Due to this reason, in Azerbaijan and in Iran now Shia is more than Sunni. But
Okay.
also we have people who close to Sunni. Due to this, in Azerbaijan we have a lot of Shia mosque. Also we have Sunni mosque. On
Okay.
the way also we will see Sunni mosque. But due to Soviet Union influence, religion decrease in here. Due to this now we don't have such kind of problem for Shia and for Sunni.
या मज़ा आ गया बिल्कुल बाकू का ओल्ड टाउन देख करके तो और इसकी गलियाँ
You can see in here Muhammad Mosque.
Oh.
It was built in 11th century.
दिस इज मोहम्मद मास
Yes, it is the oldest mosque in old city. And
Okay.
actually a lot of time we are coming from here, but
Yeah.
now they are close here due to film.
Okay.
This became from this side.
ओके
By the way, in this side has famous musician of Azerbaijan. You can see house museum of Vagif Mustafazadeh.
Okay.
He was famous jazzman in Azerbaijan.
ओके बट लवली इट्स ए लवली स्ट्रीट आई हैव नेवर सीन इन लास्ट 5 years लास्ट 3 years at least आई हैव बीन
By the way, in old city we have 2,000 approximately population.
Okay.
We are living in old city. In Baku we have between 2 and 3 million.
ओके
Azerbaijania.
Okay.
And Baku is industrial city due to oil and gas.
Okay.
And our GDP depends on oil and gas. Due to this, a lot of population are in Baku.
ओके
Divankhana means that we can say judgment.
या दीवान खाना
Yes, it is same word from India because in India and in Azerbaijan has a lot of same words due to Persian and also a little bit. Also, we have this traditional. In the past, we accept some people accept who was writer, scientists accept their surname as their city. For example, Bakuvi is from Baku. He accepts this as surname. For example, we had Nizami Gandravi. He was
ऑन दिस
from-
साइड मिनिएचर बुक म्यूजियम
Yes, also we will go inside of.
ओके
Also, you can see in here.
म्यूजियम ऑफ मिनिएचर बुक्स
You can see in here miniature book museum. You can see certificate in this museum.
ओके
In this museum, we have 2,930 unique books.
The largest collection of miniature books consists of
Yes.
2,913 unique books.
Yes, it was published in different 90 countries after they gave this book to this museum.
ओके ये हैं मिनिएचर बुक्स इवन आप माइक्रोस्कोप से भी नहीं पढ़ पाएंगे लवली प्लेस जस्ट
Famous people visited to this museum. You can see first president of Russia,
Okay.
Boris Yeltsin. He visited this museum, and you can see this woman is leader of this museum, Zarha Salohova. And you can see vice president of Azerbaijan in this museum. Also, she is first woman of Azerbaijan.
Okay.
Mehriban Aliyeva.
ओके लवली यार ये कितनी छोटी छोटी किताबें हैं भाई
Also, I will
किताबें
show you if
देखो।
you want in Hindi book from Hinduism everything.
या
Yes.
ये बुक्स हैं छोटी छोटी ये देखिए आप छोटी सी भगवत गीता छोटा सा बुक इसका साइज जो है 1.5 इंच बाई 1.5 इंच है लवली
Also, I will show you smallest book, and you can look to this part.
Which is the smallest book? This one?
This one, telephone you can see.
ये जो है 0.75 मिलीमीटर की किताब है और जिसमें 22 पेज है समझे बोतल के अंदर भी है अरे वाह भाई भाई ओल्ड सिटी
You can see statue of Al-Wahid.
Yeah.
And you can see statue of Al-Wahid. He lived period of USSR, but in this time to write something was really difficult because government was so strict and you cannot write about religion, you cannot write about, you can say, government. But in this time, Arab people
नहीं आएगा और
writer wrote about nature and another something. But they give, you can say, hidden message to population with this nature and such kind of poet. And one of them was Ali Gawahid, and in our history he wrote a lot of ghazal. I think you know about ghazal. I speak about ghazal. Yes.
ये हमारे पीछे जो बिल्डिंग है ये मेट्रो स्टेशन है और 1960 में बनाया गया था। हम लोग बहुत खुश होते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ मेट्रो आ गई, लेकिन इसका कोई जवाब नहीं। ये देखिए 1960 का जब पहला मेट्रो स्टेशन है अजरबैजान का। ये सामने स्कूल है। अब हम लोग ओल्ड सिटी से बाहर आ गए हैं और ओल्ड सिटी से बाहर आने के बाद ये हमको मिला क्लॉक टावर। बहुत ही बढ़िया, ब्यूटीफुल क्लॉक टावर।